Quite relieved. I was quite anxious at the beginning because you think that you're going to go into a place where everyone knows everything and you're just going to be sort of like dumped upon a lot. But everyone's sort of on the same level as you when it comes to knowledge, and you leave sort of in the same area as well. Just quite relieved, to be honest. Great. I've always worked a 9 to 5 job, obviously for someone else, and it's quite tiring, especially compared to the money versus hours that you work. So it's quite exciting and something to look forward to. Go for it. I've seen people here today that I didn't think were capable, including myself, of learning something in such a small amount of time, and I feel confident in going out and doing it. So if you're thinking about it, just do it.